y'all. So it's a real exciting day for me today. Today I am going to get a new car. I'm so excited. Today is December 29th, Friday, December 29th, and I am going to get a new car today. I didn't even do my intro. I just jumped right into it. Hey y'all, it's Tanisha and welcome back to another video. Before this video gets started, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on so you know every time that I post. So yeah, like I was saying, I am going to get a new car. Matter of fact, hey Siri, play Nicki Minaj beat beat. Beat, 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 is that bleep? Is that you talking to me? Is that deep? If I don't even know you exist, is that deep? So last year, for my birthday, my dad got me a truck, fully paid off. I ain't had no car note, so that's been good for a minute. Like, I didn't have to pay anything. I just been avoiding that bill, which has been great because who wants to pay a car note? Not me. But it's time to get me a new car. Hopefully I can find what I want. I don't even know what I want yet. I just want a cute mom car. That is what me and my baby are about to go do right now. I'm getting ready. I'm so excited, like I would be so happy. But yeah, so I'm about to finish getting ready. I'm about to get my baby ready, and I will meet y'all once I get back in the car. I am, let me turn this off, in a Nissan Altima. And I like it, actually. I really like it. But the only thing I don't like about it is the mileage on it. It's a 2020, I think, and for a 2020 the mileage is kind of high. So yeah, I'm gonna park so I can show y'all. Is it giving Nissan Altima or what? Let me pull over real quick. Make my doors locked, because you know we in St. Louis, baby. But yeah, so let me show y'all the inside of it. Here is the dash. See, the mileage is too high. This is nice though. It is push to start. Here's the key. I'm gonna need a detail though for sure. But is it giving me? It's silver on the outside. I'm gonna show y'all the outside, but is it giving me? But we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Y'all the outside. Oh, it's low. Jeez Louise. Okay. It's super nice. This is the front. All right, let me go in and see what my granny think. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I know it's been a minute, which I just seen it was me in the process of getting a new car. So I'm gonna tell y'all all about that later, but right now we're on our way. Let me turn the heat off. Right now we're on our way to Longhorn. We're about to have a date night, kid free, and we'll meet y'all when we get to Longhorn.
Okay, I get it. Let me think. I guess it's my turn. Maybe it's time to put this on your sideburns. He say I'm bad. He probably right. He pressing me like button downs on a Friday. Get my niggas up. I got him robbed. That ass beat. I told him that he hit the trees. Niggas get they jaw broken. It's that teeth.
So we got a 40 minute wait. What's down the street? Texas Roadhouse is down the street, but I don't want Texas Roadhouse. I want Longhorn. Look, it's packed. Hold on, let me show y'all. Like, I don't know if you can see. Let me try to zoom in. There's people hanging out front. Like, the entire lot is packed. They want Longhorn like me. We did go to Five Below to kill time, but that didn't really work. What we get? I got my baby. She gone. Every time she gone, I'm always thinking about her. So I got her she like these little things. Little peas, whatever. And then I got me some nails to put on while I wait because my hands look crazy, so. Oh, I got me some earrings because I forgot to put earrings on. I'm not gonna put this thing on.
What about your cup?
Okay. They got me a new cup. I always want cups, and this one's so cute. I'm about to wash it out and use it right now. Is that nasty?
That's sick.
Is it? I really don't give a damn. So I got me I got me a bottle of water to rinse and wash my cup out. And I got me it's like a, I don't know, they're like Mexican drinks. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong, so yeah.
I hope you ain't waiting for us, Bucko.
I'm not. And then my baby got Linky Box. So I got, she like Linky Box. So I got her a Linky Box toy.
Back smooth on up.
And I got me some chocolate covered raisins. I think that's it. Yeah. That's all I got. What you give me? He got a case.
Just the same cases.
Same case as the one I broke on his phone. What else you get? He got Naruto playing cards.
I think I missed something.
Oh, things dropped.
What you have?
I don't know.
Where's your receipt? Look at your receipt. You had cup. No, that's it. The keychain, the playing cards, and let me see that.
What you got?
And he also got this for his keys. A little Naruto guy. I'm breathing like a fat kid. Here, okay. I interrupted you. Yeah, so that's what we get. Oh, where's my glue?
Yo.
My nail glue. Did I not get it? Bro.
Yo, that's crazy as hell, man.
I don't even think I seen him ring that up. Oh no, here you go. I got it. And I got nail glue. Alright, I'm about to put these nails on and I'm about to rinse my cup out, eat my candy, and wait. Cause I won't long, right? Cause I'm hungry. You hungry?
I've been hungry.
Me too. Say bye.
See ya, losers.
Or should I get a burger? Should I get a burger? A burger? The burger. Thick, juicy half-pound burger, grilled to order. With lettuce, onion, tomato, pickles. Your choice of cheese, applewood, smoked bacon, and our signature burger sauce. I'm just go ahead and do the LH burger.
Okay. I like my first on nails. French tip. I did them in the car. For you.
Spice.
What is that? That's the. I'm gonna knock this down. That's the 12 ounce. I want 12 ounce Parmesan chicken. I want loaded mashed potatoes with Brussels sprouts. Yeah, Parmesan crusted chicken. The spinach dip. Ooh, this is super hot.
they were going up them already. You got an apple head.
Stop.
You don't like it?
No.
Why?
I hate that picture.
Well, guess what? Your man looks good. Chips you know.
They're what?
Enjoy those apps. I'm going to see you in a second. That.
Thank you.
Go ahead, drink it, baby. So we gotta drink it.
Thank you for more. The more thick, so. These are so good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Recommend.
This shit don't ever fail.
Longhorn every time.
You need extra sauce.
So good.
I'm gonna leave you about 4 times.
It sure is. Stop. What is your problem? Hey y'all, and welcome back. It's like 2 days later. Believe it or not, I'm craving Longhorn again, so I'm gonna see what my boyfriend talking about when he get off of work, because that food was a 10 out of 10. So today I gotta run a couple errands. I got a few things to do. Well, no, I don't gotta run a couple errands. I got a few things to do. I need to, first thing I'm about to do is run to IKEA. I need to find some more pillow covers for my pillows in my bedroom, and I also need to get a rug for my bathroom. This lighting sucks. Anyway, so yeah, that is what I'm about to go do right now. IKEA, and then I gotta come home and I gotta do my impressions for my Invisalign. So I'm getting, well, not the company Invisalign, I'm going with the company Byte. If y'all got any reviews on that, let me know. But yeah, I was going braces, but I'm like, you know, I kind of want, I hate this tripod. I kind of want to be able to wear my smile as it's improving. So why not get Byte? It's a 22-hour wear. I was gonna do the overnight wear, but I'm like, nah, I need fast results. So 22 hours a day, I can do that. I had braces on 24/7 when I was like 19, I think 19. So yeah, I need to come back home and I need to do that. So IKEA, and I'm gonna come home and do my impressions. And yeah, I don't know, let's go see what IKEA got. I'm going for two things and two things only. Let's see if I can run in there and run out and get what I need. I think I can do it. So let's go ahead and do that. Made it to IKEA. I'm thinking,
Thanks, though.
who said thanks though?
Wait, that's comfy. That rug is comfy.
Girl, I tried to get her phone. You like, which one you like, Yuri? The gray one or that one right there? I tried to get her phone out her bag, and she's like, it's mine. I said, dang, I'm trying to give it to you. It's
The
mine.
brown one.
Huh?
The brown one is fine.
That one. I like that one too. I think.
Y'all might see us in Vegas.
I don't think I'm gonna get this one. I want the other gray one, because I just put a gray thing in my bathroom and it matched the other one. I think I'm gonna do this one. It's not for you to lay on. It's for your feet when you get out the tub. Okay? You're crazy. Oh, these cards. Onika, Tanya, Mirage. Got the girlies in a tussle. Alright, so I found... Please stop talking. It's cute. I found some pillow covers. I got this color. And like this dark gray. I hope it matches, or I hope it looks right on my pillows. Now I'm looking for a mirror. That's not what I said I was coming in here for. But I want like an oval mirror for my desk that I'm getting for something that I'm working on. So yeah, I don't know. I'm about to go downstairs in the ass-is and see what they got. And I'm done. So I got the rug, I got some pillow covers, and yeah, that's what I came here for. Gary, you going by yourself? I'm not touching you.
Hey, why are you doing that? He's gonna hit that.
No, I got you. Look. Bye. Them honey buns, cinnamon buns are so good. Let's go into the ass-is and see what they got. So we left IKEA. I went and got exactly what I needed. No extra. I got my rug. And I got my... couldn't really show y'all the pillow covers. But I got this color. I don't know what color this is. And then I got this color. It's like a gray, but it's super cute.
It was black.
It looks black, don't it? But it's like a dark gray though.
No, it doesn't.
It does. It came off again. You been extra.
Because my base too big.
Ooh. And then I got my rug for the bathroom. So yeah. Now I'm debating on if I want to go to McDonald's right now.
No.
I'm not sure. I spent $47 at IKEA. I feel like that was a lot for what I got. I'm sorry.
Wait.
Look at her with her legs crossed. Don't try to stop now. Why you stop? Alright. I think I'm about to go to McDonald's. You want some McDonald's?
No.
You don't want no McDonald's? Okay. Well, I'll hit y'all back when we get home. Because I still gotta do my impression. So yeah. Alright, I made it back home. These pillows that you see back here is getting switched out to the new ones that I bought, but I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm about to do my impressions. So I gotta drop them off to the post office tomorrow. So this is what I got. This is just the impression kit. It says, "You look good, you're about to look better, period." And I give you instructions on how to do it. Step 1, before you begin. And I just ate some candy because I got this chocolate from IKEA. I just ate some candy, so I had to go brush my teeth. Before you begin, make sure impression trays fit comfortably in your mouth. Put any tray into your mouth to make sure it fits correctly. Contact us if the tray does not fit or is causing pain. So I'm guessing the trays is in the black. I meant the red. And the putty Yeah, it literally says that. Impression trays, gloves, and smile stretcher. And the putty is in here. Let's Get Mouthly. Ship your impressions back in this box. So it comes with the gloves and the smile stretcher there. And then at the bottom, you got 4 trays. So let's see if they fit. Does it say like top or bottom? No. So they fit. Great. Okay, so the second step is to mix the putty. So I gotta put on the gloves. I guess you're not supposed to. I'm so annoyed. As soon as I literally just got in the house. Before I got in the house, I called my boyfriend, or I texted him. I said, "Are you ready to come home?" Because he's at work. All right, so let's pause, and I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna come right back, and we're gonna finish this up. Step 2 is to mix the putty. If I can get these gloves on my hands. Take 1 dark putty container and 1 light putty container and quickly mix. What the f... Do I have any gloves here? No. What the f... That's what I get for being so fucking strong. You don't even have to pull it like that. That's annoying. The whole... I'm gonna have to make it work. Okay, take 1 dark. This is the putty. 1 dark. And 1 light. And quickly mix putty together to form 1 solid color. The putty hardens quickly, so be sure to do this within 30 seconds. Roll putty into a 4-inch long cylinder and place inside the tray. Make sure putty fills the entire tray so all your teeth can be captured. Okay. Let's get in there. Okay. This is what it should look like. Okay, and then roll it into a cylinder. And then I'm a dentist, period. Give me my degree. Your fingers center your tray over your teeth. Press into the putty. Ew. Okay, let's do 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. Ugh. One top, one done. Now I'm about to do the bottom. Okay. am done doing those impressions. They were so uncomfortable. Like, the top more than the bottom, but still. Alright, so I gotta put them back. Close them up in here and put them back in here. And it's time to ship off tomorrow. Now I gotta take pictures of my smile, and then I'm done. My cup I got from Pablo. I'm about to put these pillowcases on my pillow and give me something to eat, and I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm gonna see y'all later. No, actually, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. So thank you guys if you got this far. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you know every time that I post. And yeah, I didn't tell y'all, I'm bad. But this is what I will say, because I'll make a whole separate video on that. The beginning of this vlog started with me buying a car. So I didn't get a car that day, obviously, but I did get a new car. So I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a car reveal, and then I'm going to probably do me organizing it and then putting little stuff in it. So I'm gonna give y'all another video on that. I didn't explain it like I said I would, but I'll tell y'all in the video. So yeah, I'll explain that to y'all in the next video. Bye.
Mwah. No balls.